Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. So today I am doing a swipe, and I'm going to be using, and I used it in one of my previous videos, I'll link it here. I found these, and if you ever go to Home Depot or Lowe's, always check on their the racks where people, they made mistakes when they colored the paint. So I got this for $2. I got 3 of them, and they were all shades of this like lavender purple. Obviously they couldn't get it right. Or they used the wrong kind of paint. So, because this is a satin enamel. This is the satin enamel that everybody's using for the pearl pours. I used it as a base coat a few paintings back, and it dried beautifully. Now it's not thinned down like you would for the pearl pour. It's just your regular mix. So my regular mix is 1:1 Floetrol to paint and water, too thin, to about this consistency where you get a trace on the top of your cup. Okay, you see that how I can trace it? I don't know if you can see that. All right, so it's kind of like warm honey running off your stick. A lot of people, that's how a lot of people compare it. So that's what I'm using today, and it's like a light lavender gray. It's really pretty. And for the swipe, and then I'm going to be using this, and this is, again, this is a American Floetrol, 4 parts to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white to 20 milliliters of wood conditioner oil. It's a Minwax wood conditioner called Pre-Stain. You can get it at Home Depot. They use it for the bloom technique. I'm using it because it gives you a finer lacing than just the normal Amsterdam mixture with Floetrol or American Floetrol, because this is probably a little bit more like the Australian Floetrol mix. Especially for the blooms, that's what they tell you to put in if you don't have the Australian Floetrol. So I'm just using it with my regular paints because I used it the other day and it came out really cool. All right, so I'm doing a 20 by 20 inch canvas. I'm gonna lay my base down. Colors I'll be using today for my swipe is Blue Flash by Folk Art. I have some 24 karat gold by Deco Art. I have some Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. I have some Blick Fluorescent Violet. I have Pebeo Blue, Very Blue Iridescent. And I have some Artist Loft Turquoise. And I have some Marteza Pearl Ocean. That's the colors I'll be using. And yeah, so I'm going to get started here and play some music for you. All right.
Feeling the air and under these autumn leaves, what a breeze. Got me shaking and loosening up after all of your summer teas. Pretty please, we don't need to rush ahead or get too mad. Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, oh, we know lovers, we know pain. You're like a Willis, you're ball and chain. Say you play for keeps, yet you give up so easily. Everyone has a secret dream, but I swear you got more of a scheme. You're so carefree. Leave perfection, get your head fire, you hold rain, stay insane. Oh, oh, we know love lies, we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain. Once you set that fire into motion, you can move oceans.
You can move oceans.
No doubt about it.
No doubt about it.
Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, oh, we know love lies, we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain. Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, oh, we know love lies, we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain.
change of plans, but you know what? I love it. Don't know if I could do it again if I tried. You should see this under the lights. It's almost like rainbow. Don't know if I could do it again, but I am certainly going to try. So that's a new thing. Swiping, for me anyway, swiping the way I would for one of my botanicals and then tilting. I don't generally do that. I'm more of a controlled swiper, but I like this. I like this a lot. All right, let's see how it dries. All right, here it is, completely dried, and it dried fantastic. Love using the satin enamel as a base paint. It has a little bit of a sheen to it. Obviously, it's a satin finish, so I just think it dries gorgeous. It's completely smooth, and there's a little bit of a sheen to it. So I think once I put a clear coat of whatever I decide to do to this, it's going to even look better. I really like it. So I'm happy you stayed with me and watched, and I hope I've inspired you to try something new. And yeah, have a great one, and I'll see you all real soon. Bye-bye now.